boss.
Everybody, it's your boy BK with another breakout chart for you today. It's January 4th, and the chart we're going to look at is MTL. It's early in 2018, you guys. It's going to be a lot of money flowing into this crypto market, flowing up through the altcoins, pushing everything to all-time highs, and I think metal is well on its way for a complete polar reversal. Again, one of the things you guys can look at if you are new to the crypto game, check out my website, bossofbitcoin.com. We do have the #1 Facebook group in the world, 20,000 members right there for the free community, and a few of the reports as well. Cryptopolis, Dream Team, and a one-on-one meeting with the boss. So let's go ahead and make this chart.
Like
I will
a
be
boss.
posting this to my TradingView profile as well, so you can stay tuned for that if that's what you're looking for. What we have right here on metal, again, as I said, I think this is setting up for a complete polar reversal. How do I know that? Well, first things first, if we just look at the life cycle, and that's really captured in this 231. 231 is basically our life cycle. What we have was a breakout, breakdown, flatline. That's where you want to buy at. When that 231 goes flat, the 77 goes above it, the 7 comes on top of that. That means you are now approved to make some money. This thing has cleared the runway and it is ready to take off and sail the skies, right? Another way we could do that, again, I'm doing a 4-hour chart, you guys. This is not a premium model account. This is literally just horizontal lines and intersections. And I'm going to break down this entire chart for you guys to see exactly how this energy is coming together. One of the first things you want to look at is, where does this energy change, right? If we just turn off all of that stuff, check this out. Turn off the 7, turn off the 231. Let's look at that 77. Wall Street calls the 77-day moving average the smart money. And they said when the smart money's in, 77 goes up. Smart money's out, 77 goes down. Smart money flat, 77 undecisive. That's literally all it is. Don't let the bobblehead Jim Cramer tell you anything different. Smart money on the boss method encapsulate the 77-day moving average. All we care about is the moment in time they sold it and the moment in time they bought it. This is basically when that thing went down and when this thing bottomed out to go up, right? That's all we care about. So let's go back and highlight those intersections. We turn on our 231, turn on our 7, and there it goes right there. Move this up a little bit. This is the intersection we want, and I'm just going to start making these yellow circles to try and capture these key pivot points, basically the inflection points, when the 7 crossed over to 77 and the 77 responded, right? You can see it's about 4 of them right there. Now, one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to take a cycle line. Let's see if it hits this one. It might hit the other one. I'll do this one. Cycle line. Bam, bam. You can see we hit that thing just about nail on the head. This one isn't necessarily relevant, but we could back test it just to see. And actually it went up to that high, so that's interesting. That's something to keep an eye on. So you see, it back tested, it talked to the high, right? So more than likely when we front test it, we're probably going to talk to a high over there as well, right? And so what I expect to have happen on this chart is metal is going to break out. It's going to make some money. This is a great buying opportunity for this chart. But if we just place some horizontal lines at these intersections, one of the things that we're able to do, we could place one up there since that back tested for it. One of the things we'll be able to do is cast our future expectations of what we expect to have happen. And it's interesting, I put that box right there because that's like exactly that zone between those flux points, right? And I just freestyled that based off, you know, my initial ascent evaluation, right? These are the levels, right? This thing broke out, broke down, flatline, but you can see we basically made these little energy grids to more or less show you where to expect it to happen at, right? Broke down there, rode it all the way down. And now we're entering a new energy grid, which is going to be right there. But as we can see, we have an uptrend that more than likely will lead us straight into that intersection. Remember, it's 3 parts of any cycle, you guys. Breakout, breakdown, flatline. What comes next? Bam! It's just that easy to get paid. What do I expect metal to do? I expect metal pretty comfortably to yield. That'd be crazy when it do. North of 100% inside a month. Boss prediction, boss method, boss of Bitcoin.com. Brandon Kelly, crypto trader. Like, subscribe, and share. Scare money, don't make none. Put down 2 and pick up 6 like a boss. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Like a boss. Huh. Huh. Huh.